Nowadays, the best side hustles are the ones that can be done from the comfort of your bedroom and often do not feel like it's real work. You're probably among the couple 100 million people that spend hours on their devices. So why not make money online watching YouTube videos and get paid $500? It will only take you a short time and a few clicks to earn points that can be converted to real money. When looking for a side hustle that is completely accessible and flexible, watching YouTube videos to make money online as a beginner is your best bet in 2022. There are a lot of perks to watching videos. They can be done by anyone with an internet connection, and you can start and stop whenever you want. On this website, you don't have to be in front of a camera. You also don't have to film your own videos, and it's never about YouTube ads. This platform simply allows you to watch videos, convert it into points, and turn them into actual cash. So instead of getting stuck in the rabbit hole of endless contents, watch this video all the way till the end so you can start making money online watching YouTube videos even if you're a beginner in 2022. Before we go further, welcome to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online, regardless of background and expertise. Here, we will go through ways to monetize the latest cash-generating apps and websites so that you can make money online and work on your own terms. Do subscribe to the channel, give this video the big thumbs up it deserves, and press the notification bell. When you do, you'll surely be on our list whenever we upload new content. Also, leave us a comment down below telling us what value you got from our videos. Today, I'll discuss in detail the steps on how to monetize this website successfully by watching YouTube videos. I strongly recommend this platform because it fits well for beginners and for those who just want to profit in their free time. I mean, this is totally for everyone. Also, it's a good source of passive income that can take care of your coffee runs and other small expenses. I'll teach you how to convert your points using a bonus website, and this will just be between you and me. Now let's dive into the essential steps to get you started earning as a beginner by watching YouTube videos. On your web browser, please head on to addbefast.com. To give you an idea about Addbefast, it's a network that helps its clients grow their social presence. They work on increasing Facebook likes, shares, Facebook followers, growing Reddit community members, and increasing upvotes, views, and subscribers on YouTube. They basically increase the traffic of likes, views, and subs to almost all social media platforms available like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. They have 6.7 million active users across 211 countries. Addbefast's homepage looks like this, and if you sign up right now, you can get 200 points for free! Before we proceed to the nitty-gritty, let's head on to the registration. On the registration page, you'll be asked to fill in your email, password, and prove yourself with a few clicks that you're not a robot. After you have successfully signed up, open your email and confirm your account through the link they've sent you. Once your account has been verified, your 200 sign-up points are automatically credited on your balance. Now, this is how your dashboard looks like once you've logged in. On the topmost part, you can see that your 200 points have been credited. On the upper right side, it says that you can get 400 and more bonus points when you log in daily. Because you registered today, you can claim your 400 bonus points tomorrow, so make sure you don't forget to log in the next day. And on the left side of your homepage, this is where the exciting part begins. When you click this add button, you can add the URL of your social media post which you want to gain more likes, views, or follows. For example, if you post a URL of your Facebook photo, other people around the globe can like your photo. And if you follow them, like their posts, or view their videos, then you'll also get the same traffic automatically with your posts. Basically, it's a like for like, follow for follow, a sub for sub, and so on. Let's go back to looking at the right side of your homepage where the real deal is. This is where you can gain points by Facebook likes, shares, follows, Instagram likes, TikTok follows, and more. But for this video, I'd like to focus on YouTube views because it will only take you 30 seconds or less to grab some points. It's always my pleasure to help you out and make things easier for you. And great news, you don't need a YouTube channel with followers or videos for this function. You can just create a new YouTube profile and proceed right away as long as you keep this profile active. This is how you easily can make money online as a beginner in 2022. Now, let's scroll a little bit down and click YouTube Views. Here, you can start getting points by viewing others' videos. You may also add your YouTube URL at the same time if you want traffic on your channel. But let's focus on earning points from watching. Start by clicking View Video and automatically a pop-up screen appears. And below the video button, please observe the number of seconds the video must be played to earn points. For this video that just popped up, it says it must be played for 30 seconds. Imagine the convenience of 30 seconds and you can play more videos as much as you like any time of the day. Fast forward 30 seconds, you're now done with your first video. And when you check the topmost part of your dashboard, you'll see that your points are updated right away. Before we get to the meatiest part of the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and triple tap that like button. If you're getting value so far, let me know your takeaways or questions in the comment section. Okay, back to business. Once you've accumulated a huge amount of points because of your time and dedication on Addbefast, head on to Playerup.com. This is the marketplace where you can trade and sell social media accounts and social media engagements. For example, let's convert your points to Facebook likes and Facebook likes to dollars. On the homepage, scroll all the way down and you want to find a category that says All Other Games/Marketplaces right here. Click the link and from this page where choices are arranged alphabetically, click F, let it load and find Facebook. On this page, you can see that we can buy Facebook followers, Facebook friends, Facebook page, so on and so forth. I want you to focus on Facebook likes, shares, and followers. For example, if I click on Facebook likes right here, you'll see that people are selling 100 likes for a few dollars. And if you actually do a little bit of research, you'll find out that other websites are selling Facebook likes way more expensive than this. So just by watching videos on Addbefast, you can get points that you can exchange for Facebook likes, and these likes can absolutely be monetized. So if you're selling 100 Facebook likes for $4, that means you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for over $40. To make this happen, just sign up at Playerup.com using your Google, Facebook, or Steam account. Once you've signed up, you can post your listing that you are selling Facebook likes. Now, on your Addbefast account, click Add and choose Facebook likes as the type of your content. Tick the worldwide box so that the URL views won't be limited to a few locations. For the title, you can just type whatever you want and just paste the URL that has been provided on this box. For how many points you can give in one like, let's go with 10 points for this example. Click on Save Changes and that's it. The people that bought your likes from your Playerup profile will directly pay you on your PayPal account. You can do this over and over again with no daily limits. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below what you think about it and hit the big like button. Also, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell because we'll keep you posted for similar money-making contents. I truly appreciate you joining me until the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next video.